AMPG was started by my father, Matt, in 1987 as a distributor. As our company started to grow, we wanted to manufacture items ourselves. We just want to develop fantastic culture where you want to come to work and make cool stuff.
We are not a standard machine shop. We make fasteners, but we make beautiful fasteners. These are gorgeous architectural ready parts. That same degree of care goes into every product we make. We're not limited to fasteners. We make binding posts, washers, machine tool accessories, measuring tool accessories, power transmission products. We have a very diverse inventory that doesn't turn once throughout the year. We have a very large demand for square washers, especially in structural applications. When our technology director found the Sunrise at a trade show and showed us, we're like, we have to have one of those. It runs flawlessly. It's a really bulletproof machine. All of our washers that we run through here have a tolerance of plus or minus 15 thou at the tightest, and the Sunrise is holding plus or minus 5 all day long. The square washer line is completely fulfilled. The reason the Sunrise lends itself so well to automation is because the feeding system and the punching system are seamless. It's one piece. It's not like you're dealing with different languages or different connections or anything. Our engineering team has built automation on it to load multiple bars, all seamlessly integrated with the help from Trilogy Machinery as far as the programming and the ladder for it. It literally runs 24/7. We never worry about tolerances. We never worry about the holes being on center, as we've seen with other manufacturers. The parts meet our needs immediately right off the bat. Trilogy Machine has been fantastic from the purchasing, all the prep they gave us to get ready for the machine. It was just open dialogue between them and our engineers through the entire process.
The future for AMPG is more automation, more customization of products, and more product lines.
We're looking at steady growth from here as far as the eye can see.